And players in transportation sector are looking into innovative ways of making taxi hailing work in a win-win situation for both customers and investors. This has prompted them to create a Kenyan taxi app company, KTNEX, that will look into lowering the commissions offered to companies so as to ensure drivers earn decently without affecting rates charged to consumers.
The commission charged by ride-hailing apps on drivers is currently capped at 18% to protect thousands of workers inconvenienced by high fees. According to new rules published by the Kenyan Transport and Infrastructure, the cap also applies to the commissions paid by the owners of vehicles registered to various digital taxi companies. However, penetrating the market has been difficult for new companies due to the dominance by multinational companies. This has been a big setback and a challenge blamed on low investment into the sector, with some taxi drivers opting back to the analog way of operation. A new app company known as KTNEX has been launched and is promising to offer commissions of about 7% to drivers.
We are pushing for these regulations to be effected so that it can put a level playing field for any new company to come up and operate.
Nataka players wengi wa hii industry. One of the reasons why we are suffering is because some apps are dominating so much. So tunawaambia karibu na mkuje na commission ambayo iko chini, kwa sababu hapo ni mahali ambapo tunaumia sana.
Wycliffe Alutalala, the chairman of Rideshare Sacco, blamed the issues being experienced by taxi operators to dominance by some app companies.
It is very difficult for a new company to come into existence. We have had several companies coming up, but because of the unfairness and because of the dominance, especially by the leading app companies, it has been very difficult for any new company to come into the market.
The Kenyan taxi app company KTNEX is also banking on benefits such as freedom to choose the gender of the driver to drive up its uptake. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.